you're going to do in number 1 is you're going to find points that are absolutely on the intersection, okay? And I found those 2 points. And then you're going to draw us, you're going to go up and, oh, I went up too far. Up and over. Do you understand what you're doing? And is the slope here going to be positive or negative? It's going to be negative because it's going to be up 2 and left 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be a negative 1/2 slope, okay? And the y-intercept, where does this graph hit the y-axis? So your slope is negative 1/2. Negative 1 is your y-intercept, and we're going to put it in the format of y equals mx plus b. So it's going to be y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1.
Okay. So, see, here, it intersects here, 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 and then so on and so forth. So, m would equal negative 1. And it intersects with 2, so b would equal negative 2. And so y equals mx plus b format would be y equals negative 1x minus 2.
So here, if we were to draw the triangle, it would be up 2, left 2, which is a negative 1 slope when we connect 2 of those dots. So we got a negative 2 slope, a negative 1 slope and a negative 2 y-intercept, and we just plug them in. So in the second section, they tell you that the slope is 1, and the y-intercept, and I abbreviate this, is negative 5. And we have y equals mx plus b. So the slope is m, and the y-intercept is b. So you just say y equals 1x, you don't need the 1 there, minus 5. So that's your answer, number 7. Okay, so this, they want it in y equals mx plus b form. So they want us to leave the y alone. And once you leave the y alone, you're finished. So I need to get rid of this guy first, and then I need to get rid of this negative sign. So the 8x is being added to the negative y. So we have negative y equals negative 8x minus 4. I crossed the bridge and I made them positive. And now the number that's next to that y is a negative 1. You cannot have the y with anything on it, so you have to get rid of it. So we're going to divide everything by negative 1. When you divide by negative 1, you basically change the signs of the original equation. So there is your answer.